So we have SP number 5, acids and bases, bronzes, acid bases, particularly pH. In a sodium hydroxide solution, the hydroxyl ion concentration is 2.9 times 10 to the negative 4 molar. So, calculate the pH of the solution. So, I think pwede ko na himuan ng duwang solution. So, the first one is using this equation. Ang una, SP number 1 siguro nga problem. So, you have a 2.9 times 10 to the negative 4. So, you can use the ionization constant for water. You have an H3O plus times OH. Tama sa aking gamit, ane ha. Pakita ko lang kaduha. That is 1.0 times 10 to the negative 14. So, ito, substitute ang kuha di. Kay ginhatag man nimo OH, I mean, so may daka na H3O plus and then you want to find the H3O. By that, you can calculate ani din na formula. Diba? H3O plus and then substitute ka ng OH which is 2.9 times 10 to the negative 4. Tanggalan ko lang units. Usually. So, ini nga duha lata akon mamanipulate, ini nga duha. Adi, so adi i-divide ko hin 2.9 times 10 to the negative 4. Tapos adi liwat 2.9 times 10 to the negative 4. So, ano gamit ito? Para di matanggal ini makancel. So, that's equal to 1. Dito 0 ha, equal to 1. So, 1 times H3O, H3O naladahan nga da. So, by that, you can find H3O plus to be equal, tira. So, 1.0 times 10 to the negative 14 divided by 2.9 times 10 to the negative 4. Actually, pwede natin nagdiretso na calculator. Hanap calculator natin. 1 raised to negative 14. So, 1 raised to negative 14. Tapos close kong parenthesis. Posible iba't iyo pag-input again na iyo calculator ha. Divide it by, you can use scientific calculator. Ano yan ha. Tayo, kailangan ko i-include yung parenthesis. Ibangin magdiretso laya. Divided by 2.9 raised to 4. So, exponent negative 4. Saka ko ibubutang parenthesis. So, and then, what will give you is 3.45 raised to the negative 11. So, that is the hydronium ion concentration pala. We're not done yet. 3.5. So, the answer is actually, kay magagamiton tapat na pag-calculate. So, kukopyahan ko laanahin mga upat. 3.448. So, that will give you 3.448 times 10 to the negative 11 for your H3O. And then calculate the pH. Then I will have the pH will now give me from this equation, di ba? That is the negative log of your 3.448 times 10 to the negative 11. So, the negative log of that. So, actually, tikang kanina, adiman, igni-negative log. Iglalag ko lahiya. Tapos, igni-negate. So, log, so, negate. Tapos, negate. Adiman nga, negate. Negative log. So, that would be 10.5. So, the answer is 10.5. Your pH is at 10.5. So, that is the answer. So, medyo basic hiya nga solution kaya ano. Kaya ni mo pH 10.5. Again, pag lumagpas kat 7 or 8, that would be a basic solution. Your 7 is neutral. Nga umubos kayo to that is an acidic solution. So, another solution would be to get the POH. If this is the pH, actually, what we can do is find the POH. O, para latiya. If this is your pH, you can say, di man nga, equation taton din papunteriya. Diba, may din yung POH. The power of your hydroxide, POH, is equal to the negative log of your hydroxyl ion concentration. So normal ito din kay to sir. Adi. Normal ito because this is the general formula for your power. Actually ito mo power pH. Your ito nga P actually ha mathematics ginatawag iti nga P I mean chemistry ginatawag iti nga P values. So talaga ito formula for P values the P of kung ano nga species variable of x is the negative log of your x. So kung H3O ito H3O ada dida. So again this is a general P value si tawag lang dito. Okay? So pwede ko gamitin as POH. POH is negative log of OH. You would have the negative logarithm of your 2.9 times 10 to the negative 4. So ganito ya. So magamit ako calculator. 2.9 negative log of 2.9 is to negative 4. So 2.9 2.9 butang ko ng parenthesis. 2.9 again ba yan? Rekapidlit. Parenthesis ano ito? Nagkuhan man hiya. Oy, niya parenthesis nagkuhan man nag to the 4. Tigla pa ba ito tiya? Itaon ta. 2.9 exponent tas negative 4 ano na? So in the negative 4 tapos logarithm of that. So and then you negate. Diba? So that is 3.538. 3.538. So equal niya to negative positive na. 3. Ano to? 3.538. 3.538 positive. 3.538. So the POH is 3.538. So therefore your pH plus POH is equal to 14. Dito ang formula, di man, highlight kanina, ini man. Which is pwede ta na substitutean ang POH as pH plus. Adi ha, ini taging gamit, ini gintanggal ko ini. Adi taging gamit pH plus at 3.538. Adi. So by that, ma-minus ako your pH now, mabalin ini, ma-minus ako didihin, ma-minus ako 3.538 tapos didi. Pidlit. Mabadalin niya. So your pH now is 14. So minus ako dito 3.538. Nag-minus ako doon ang equation na sa tanggal ade. So pH na mabibili niya di that is 14 minus 3.538. So and then it will give me it must give me the same value. So 14 minus 3.538 which will give me 10.5 10.46 or 10.5, diba? So pareho ra di ha. So duha ka solution, diba? So thank you guys.